Blowing smoke, unraveling the meaning behind the phrase. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English idiom, blowing smoke. This phrase is commonly used in everyday English, and understanding it can really enrich your language skills. So, let's dive in and find out what it means to blow smoke. Blowing smoke is an idiom that means to deceive someone or to exaggerate the truth. It's often used when someone is trying to impress others with information that is not entirely accurate. The phrase can be traced back to the idea of magicians using smoke to obscure the audience's view, creating an illusion. In everyday language, when someone is blowing smoke, they might be hiding the truth or embellishing facts. Let's look at some examples to understand how this phrase is used. 1. In a business meeting, I think he's just blowing smoke about his company's success to attract investors. 2. Among friends, don't listen to him, he's just blowing smoke to seem more interesting. These examples show how blowing smoke can be used in different social contexts to indicate that someone is not being completely honest or is exaggerating. To help you incorporate this phrase into your everyday English, here are some sentence structures. I felt like he was blowing smoke to impress us. Are you really telling the truth, or are you just blowing smoke? Notice how the phrase can be used both as a standalone comment and as part of a larger sentence. There are other phrases and words in English that convey a similar meaning. For example, pulling the wool over someone's eyes, to deceive; fabricating, to make up a story; exaggerating, to make something seem larger or more important than it is. Understanding these synonyms can help you recognize similar expressions in different contexts. We hope this video has shed light on the idiom, blowing smoke, and how you can use it in your conversations. Remember, English is full of colorful phrases like this, and understanding them can really enhance your language skills. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English.